So what I'm showing you here is I've just got the bird restrained to show how I would do a wing clip. So I've got the bird held nice and firmly, and now what I can do is I can just extend it wing there. And what we would be doing if we were clipping the feathers is we would just be clipping the primary feathers, and we would only clip a few because we would be clipping them right from this point here. We would make sure the amount of cut shaft was only a small amount, just so that the sharp edges don't irritate the bird. And we would cut just under the major coverts, which end about there. So we would cut just there, making sure not to cut the blood supply and make the bird bleed. Only a few cut off, and that would just sort of stop the bird from flying around and be able to clip its wings, and we could have it repeat.